the 2015 Audi A3 2.0T. Powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed manual transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Audi features all-wheel drive, sport package, and sport suspension. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include Prestige package, HD radio, navigation system, satellite radio, Bluetooth wireless, and cold weather package. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.